Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, the Birdex Craftsmanship. Now, this video we're going to show you pop-up art, and that's going to be showing Mobile Legends Venom Squad. And let's see who the characters are. We've got Harley, the mage. Well, isn't he cute? We've got Hanabi, the marksman. Wow, good effects. And Angela, the support. She's actually the cutest, probably. And Grok, the tank. And then let's not forget the leader, Lucian. Very good looking character. Let's cut the thrill. Let's see the final outfit. Whoa. So you see all 5 characters in one scene. One pop-up scene. Took me a few days to finish this one. Okay, so here's the making. The sketching part was difficult for me. It's been a while since the last time I did sketching and coloring too. It was really tiring. But it sure is fun. I always look forward going home to finish my artworks from the office. With Grok here, I can see that my coloring skills is gradually improving. And this is the part where I decided to really intensify the colors. Which I applied to the Dex character, Hanabi. Just a lot of details here, but I have to give it a try. So we need to cut them out. And for the backdrop, the details. Now this part here reminds me so much of my college days. The dreadful nights creating airplanes. I almost flanked the skyscraper plate. So we put in the characters on the scene. And there you go. Forget about the cover. It's just important to create an impression. So that's about it, guys. We're done with the pop-up art. I really hope that you enjoyed the video and you've also learned something new. Now please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Have a great day. Bye.